Hello, you are most welcome. I'm Teacher Ivan from Wuuna Educational Services. We are here for number 4 under logarithms, still under our first episode of O-level mathematics revision questions. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with colleagues, friends, classmates, and always visit our playlists so that you have organized video lessons in different topics and subjects. You can also visit our channels so that you subscribe to all our e-learning channels. That is Wuuna e-learning platform, Wuuna math channel, Teacher Ivan's online class, and Wuuna kids platform. Please join us and we become your learning partner. Thank you. Number 4 says, given that log 2 equals to this and log 3 equals to that, we are supposed to use this information to find the log 5, to find the log 1.5, 1.8, and 240. This is what we must do. We are given log of 2 and 3. However, they are raised to base 10. So, for us to get log 5, we must first of all know how we are going to get the 5 from the given information. We are given log 2, log 3, but they are raised to base 10. So if it is base 10, then it implies that I also have log 10. Using the law of base and power, whereby the law states that when I have logarithm having the power equaling to the base, that log equals to 1. So since our base was 10, that means that we are indirectly given log of 10, which is 1. Assuming our base was 2, then we could be also indirectly given log 2 since the base is 2. So that is the only trick here. So we have now 3 logarithms of 2, 3, and 10. How did we get this? Because our base was 10. Therefore, if the power is 10, the log is 1. So that makes this one very easy for us. How do I get 5? It is 10 divided by 2. So we shall say log 10 power 5 this equals to log 10 divided by 2. So 5 is 10 divided by 2. However, what gives me division? Division is from the law of subtraction. When do I divide the powers? I only divide the powers when I'm subtracting the logarithms. And the law says I divide the first power by the second power. So this implies that initially it was 10 minus log 10 2. From this is where we get that. We divide the first power by the second power to get that, which gives us 5. So, since log 10 is 1, and we are given log 10 2 as 0.3010, we can subtract to get the logarithm of 5. I will stop there. Hope we are together. Please don't forget to comment so that I may know how I'm serving you and also know where to improve. Thank you. It is also very important that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we have a new video. We have several channels. In order to serve you right, we decided to create several channels for specific subjects and also topics. Our newest channel is Wuuna Math Channel. That will be specifically for mathematics. Why mathematics? It is proving to be a stubborn subject, yet it is very easy and friendly. So please don't forget to subscribe to that channel and also hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we post videos there. We shall start with discussing section A numbers on that channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Go to channel column on this very channel. You'll find our different channels. Subscribe to them so that we learn together and enjoy together. Thank you. Let's continue. That is our part A. It's done. We come to part B. Part B is asking for log of 1.5. So how do we get log of 1.5? Remember, we are given the log of 2 and the log of 3. So we are given log of 2 as 0.3010. We are given the log of 3 as 0.4771, and indirectly we can also get our own log or create our own, which is 10, which equals to 1. So in this case they want us to find the log of 1.5 base 10. 1.5 is got by dividing, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is what gives us 1.5, and therefore this is the same as log 3 minus log 2, since we divide the first by the second when subtracting. And now we can just simply subtract 0.4771 minus 0.3010. So get your calculator and do a favor to yourself. So that is how we deal with logarithms. Logarithms is one of the simplest topics, but again complicated if at all you have not mastered the rules of logarithms. That's why I'll refer you to the first video or to the first lesson in this very playlist. Please go to playlists, look for O-level mathematics revision questions. Just play the whole list. You'll enjoy logarithms and they will never be stubborn to you again. Thank you. Let us look at our second last part, that is part C, which is requiring us to find log of 1.8. Log of 1.8, how do we get 1.8? 1.8 can be got in two ways. We can multiply 0.2 by 9 to give us 1.8. Or we can multiply 2 by 0.9 to give us 1.8. But don't forget, we are having the given information, which says that log 10(2) equals to 0.3010, and log 10(3) equals to 0.4771, and it may be our own that we have created, log 10 equaling to 1. So this is how we are getting 1.8, and this is what we are given and we are supposed to use. I would prefer using the first because it is easier to use than this one. Remember, we are given the log of 2, but we don't have the log of 9. So when you use 0.9, it will be tricky for us. However, it can be got, but it will be tricky for us. So I'll emphasize that we use the first. Therefore, where we have log of 1.8, we replace it with log 10, 0.2 times 1 times 9, sorry. That is 0.2 times 9 to give us 1.8. And therefore, when do we multiply powers? We multiply powers when we are adding the logarithms. That simply means that it is 0.2 plus log of 10, 9. Then we don't have 0.2, we have 2. But for me to get to 0.2, I'll divide 2 by 10. Plus 9 is 3 squared. So simply, this means when I'm dividing, it means I subtracted the numerator minus the log of the denominator. This is what division means. Log of the numerator minus log of the denominator. Plus, now these 2 will come down so that it becomes 2 log 10, 3. Don't forget, we are given this as 0.3010 minus 10 is 1 plus 2 into 0.4771. So it is just a matter of getting your calculator, feed in this, and enjoy the mathematics. Otherwise, please, I continue requesting you humbly to subscribe, comment, and share this useful information with classmates. Let us look at our last part of number 4. Our last part, that is part D, is requiring us to find the log of 240. Remember, we have log of 10, which is 1. We have log of 10(2), which is 0.3010. We have log of 10(3), which is 0.4771. So we are supposed to use these 3 to find the log of 240. So how do we get 240? 240 can be 80 times 3 or 30 times 8, or can be 60 times 4 or 40 times 6. There are many factors of 240, but let us choose the easiest that could be easily simplified in terms of 2 and 3 and maybe 10. So I'll choose to use 30 and 80. All these give us the same thing when we simplify them correctly. I'm using 30 and 80. That is to say, I will say log of 10 to 40 equals to log of 30 times 8, which means that this was log 10 30 plus log 10 80. Please, if you didn't watch the first lesson, then you are likely to get lost on the way. First watch the rules of logarithms. You will know how we come up with these ones from multiplication and so many other things. So 30 is log 3 times 10 plus 8 is 2 cubed. So after simplifying them, we now apply the laws of logarithm. Where I have multiplication, I'm going to add the logarithms of the multiplying powers. That is log 10 3 plus log 10 10 plus the power comes down to give us 3 log 10 2. So I now have everything under control. I was given this and that, and I derived that. So this is 0.4771 plus this is a 1 plus 3 into 0.3010. So it is now a matter of getting my calculator and feeding the information to get the final answer. So that is how we deal with the logarithms. With logarithms, we are remaining with one part, that is using logarithm tables. Otherwise, we have looked at the other parts. Please, if this is your first time, then you are not late. Just go to our playlist, look for O-Level Mathematics Revision, play the whole list from the first video of the laws of logarithms to the most recent. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we have a new video. Please trust us and we walk your academic journey together, mostly in the sciences. Thank you. We meet next time.